All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through here, number 13 from 1-3. Look, this is a lot of algebra, and this is going to be involved with a chapter 2 project, so you have to be able to do this. But right now, you don't exactly understand what you're doing, so that can be frustrating. What we're working towards is finding a derivative. This is called the limit definition, and I'm going to talk you through this more in Unit 2. I can't wait to get to see you guys again. But for now, I just want to explain to you what the heck you're doing. You're plugging x plus delta x into the function for x. Okay? So you just got to take your time. So it's instead of 2x squared, we're going to start with 2 times x plus delta x squared. Okay? And then we got to also do minus 6 times, instead of x plus delta x. Okay? So this is now this. Okay? Now, what was f of x? Well, f of x is just this. So we need to do minus. Okay? And then we want to take all that and put it over delta x. And we want to take the limit as x approaches 0. Oh, delta x approaches 0. That's why we can't just plug in a 0 for my delta x, because you got a 0 in the denominator. Okay? So we have to do our algebra. So you get 2 times. This squared is x squared plus 2 times x times delta x plus delta x squared, that whole thing squared, minus 6x minus 6 delta x all over delta x. Okay? All right, we're getting there. Now let's distribute. 2x squared plus 4x delta x plus 2 delta x squared minus 6x minus 6 delta x. All over. Oh shoot! I forgot about my green. So my orange, minus 2x squared and then plus 6x on top. Now I'll get to the point where we just write all these in the same color. So minus 2x squared plus 6x. This is why I shouldn't have changed colors in the first place, but I'm just trying to help you out. All right, now watch. It goes from frustrating to magic right in this step. Look, cancels. Cancels. So what you have is, I'm just going to write it in descending order. 2 delta x squared plus 4x delta x minus 6 delta x all over delta x. Notice that at the top, they all have a delta x, so just factor that out. It's delta x times 2 delta x plus 4x minus 6 over delta x. Those cancel. So what you're left with is 2 delta x plus 4x minus 6. Well, we're looking for the limit as delta x approaches 0. So now we can put it in. That's going to be gone. 2 times 0 is 0. And you'll find that the answer to this question is 4x minus 6. Now, amazingly, when you get into Unit 2.1, one of the first things you're going to do is find out how to take the derivative of this thing. and you're going to get so much easier 4x minus 6. I hope that helps. Boom!